Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth paste, cooking for about 1 minute. This creates your roux, the foundation for a perfect white sauce. Achieving a perfect roux is key. After cooking the butter and flour for about 1 minute, slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously. This gradual addition helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth consistency. Keep whisking over medium heat as the sauce begins to thicken. Now it's time to season your sauce. Once it reaches your desired thickness, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash more milk. If too thin, simmer gently for a few more minutes until perfect. Your delicious homemade white sauce is now ready. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for macaroni and cheese, a creamy topping for steamed vegetables, or as a base for gratins. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.